Good morning, everybody. This is Sage here at Ranch Armor. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to install a Polaris 1000 front hood basket on your stock bumper. Alright, so right here is your actual front hood basket, and we'll get to installing it here in just a minute. But right here is going to be your front hood basket mount for the stock bumper. Your two loop clamps that you're going to need. The two brackets, two 7/16 nylock nuts, four 7/16 washers, and then your two 7/16 bolts. You're going to have two 9/16 nylock nuts, two 9/16 washers, two of these little plastic 9/16 washers, and then two 7/32 bolts. And then obviously you're going to have your little twist knobs that you'll put in later. You'll need a 7/16 wrench, a 7/16 socket. You can go deep well or shorty. I prefer the shorty for this. I just find it easier. You'll need a 9/16 for whenever you use that 7/32 to put these bolts in. And then you'll use this 15 socket right here. It'll help take off the brackets or the bolts that you need to install the brackets. And then you'll also need your 7/32 Allen key. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and take out these factory bolts real quick. Now that we've got these bolts out, we'll go ahead and install our brackets. All right, so you're gonna take your bracket and you're gonna put it right here. You're gonna make sure that this angle is going up. You want it to be going up a little bit instead of down. Then you take your bolt and it slides right in just like that. And then this side is ready to tighten down. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. It is okay to go ahead and tighten these down right now. Normally we do everything hand tight, but with these you can go ahead and cinch them on down. They ain't going to go anywhere. Just like that. Now we're going to switch gears and we're going to go ahead and put together our front hood mount. So first you'll go ahead and take your 7/16, put a washer on each one, then grab your loop clamp. Go ahead and get yourself set up for success here. Thread it open, right over. You'll go ahead and do that for both of them. Now you'll take the actual front hood mount. If you have the Ranch Armor facing towards you, go ahead and put it where the straps are gonna go like that. So the straps should be closer to you, but pulled away from you. Then you'll take your other washer and the 7/16 nylock and go ahead and throw that on there. All right, and now we just tighten them on down. Now whenever you do tighten these, kind of keep an eye on it. You just want this to flex a little bit as it drives in. You don't want to send it too far or it's going to break right through that rubber. Just like that. Now we'll bring it on over. Line yourself up a little bit. And put it on. Oh, you'll usually take these to about the second notch. That's what I do. You can go tighter if you want, but I always find that the second notch works just fine for me. Just like that. Now we're ready to put on the front hood basket. So right now you're going to go ahead and get these holes on the top lined up. You can see right in there. And it can be adjusted later. I just like to do it now, just so I don't have to later. Then next, right here, you can see where Matt is. You're gonna take this wing, and you're gonna go on the outside of this bracket. And you'll do the same on the other side. So this is gonna lean on you a little bit, so don't worry about it if it is. If you can't get it straight, it's perfectly fine. That's kind of how it's set up that way. So like I said, same on this side. You're gonna want this wing on the outside of the bracket. If you do have an antenna here, it doesn't really matter. I go ahead and just throw mine to the outside. You know, you can still play with it, adjust it, do whatever you need to do. I just prefer to have mine over here. So next you're gonna take your 7/32 bolt and your plastic washer. So you're gonna go in from the inside instead of the outside. On most of our units, they go in from the outside, but on the Polaris 1000, it goes from the inside. So you go ahead and put that through. Then you'll take your plastic washer and put it in between there. And slide that on over. Then you take your 9/16 washer, put it over the bolt, and then throw on your nylock. And you're going to do the exact same for the other side. Bolt from the inside, put on your plastic, then go ahead and slide it on in. Then your washer, and then your nut. Now, you're going to take your 9/16 wrench and your 7/32 Allen. Go ahead and get yourself lined up in there. Just like that. Then your final step here is to realign this if it's fallen any. Scoot it over if you need to. If you didn't line it up very well like I didn't. Take your twist knobs. And there you go. There is a Polaris 1000 front hood basket with a stock bumper. And if you want to order this product, go ahead and go on over to rancharmorutv.com. We have plenty of them ready for you. Thank y'all.